Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch with your friends on Disney Plus. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type disneyplus.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page if you're logging into your account. If you are not logged in into your account, or if it's your first time, they will take you into another page, and from that you will need to create your account first, then log in into it, or you just log in into it if you have an account. Of course, you'll need to enter your email and your phone first of all, then email, so you can log in into your account or create your account, then subscribe if you are not subscribed to start watching on Disney Plus. So once you did all of that, you'll find yourself here at this home page, and of course from here you'll find the suggested series or movies for you, and you can start watching whenever you want by clicking at watch now whatever you want. So of course you may see here at my home screen when I can watch, or when I should start like watching. I don't have the third option here, which is the watch with group on Disney. So that, as I found, it's just unavailable in my region. But of course, for you, in your region, it must be here. You will find watch now plus what to watch list, and you will find the third option right there, which is watch with group. And of course, when you click on it, you will need just to share your watch stream link, and then share with the people that you want to watch with. And of course, when they enter it, they will need just to click at start watching, and you will watch together. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.